was around 31,000 BCE when this was first starting to get together. They were known mainly for the pyramids as well as the Sphinx, which archaeologists uncovered. And you think of all these great pharaohs like Tutankhamun and the Queen Cleopatra. You think,
This must be it. There's the river. And there are the 7 pillars. That must be the library, and there should be a sundial nearby. It's all here, just like on this map my great-uncle left me. Now I can pick up where he left off. But how am I going to explore this place with a sprained ankle? No worries. I can start my exploration using this solar charger and drone. But where should I begin? If I'm reading this right, I think this says A, L, B, I, D, A, Y, A. Albadea. Albadea. I think that's the Egyptian word for begin or start. I can't believe my crash landing was this lucky. I guess I'll launch my first mission from here.